Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. So, some of you guys have been asking me to do a dance tutorial on how to do the torture dance from Jojo's Bizarre Adventure, and I have to admit that it's pretty awesome. So thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Inkzord, for being the first one to request it. Now, it was a bit difficult to see the whole dance since they kept cutting it off, so I'm just gonna do the bit that you saw in the preview, and I also think that's the best part. Alright, so the first move is actually a difficult one, so don't be discouraged if you don't get it in the first try. Just practice and practice over and over. So in a second I'll explain how to do this first move, but actually I think I'll also do another version of it, a more simplified version for the ones that don't know how to do this first one. Okay, so in order to learn this move, we're gonna do some exercises. The first one is standing on one leg. Obviously anyone can do that. Now, basically this move you're just doing a lot of small jumps, but you're not actually lifting the foot off the ground. You're switching between lifting your heel up, just gonna show it from the side, lifting the heel up and lifting your toes up. Yeah, and you're doing small jumps, so you're doing like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. And the reason why we're doing these small jumps is because it's really hard to just lift it. It requires a lot of strength. So instead we're doing these small jumps. So we're doing jump, 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 jump. Yeah? So let's just try to do lifting our heel to the side. Yeah? In a small jump. Without actually lifting the foot. So I'm just gonna show it from the side. 5, 6, 7, 8 to the side. Let's try that again. Just gonna show you here to the front. 5, 6, 7, 8 to the side. Just a small movements to the side. 5, 6, 7, 8 to the side. Just practice that over and over, and then you can try to do it where you lift your toes to the side. Yeah, so you're basically doing this on one leg, this small jump. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8 to the side. 5, 6, 7, 8 to the side. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the side. Now, try to switch between lifting your heel and lifting your toes. Yeah, so we're gonna do whoop and toes. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, heel, toe. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8, heel, toe. Now if you're having problems with your balance, try to stand up against the wall to get some support, and then you can practice this. So if you can do this, basically what you need to do is just keep repeating this. So heel, toes, lifting your heel, lifting your toes, lifting your heel, lifting your toes, lifting your heel, and so on. Now, once you can do that, and it's gonna take some time, then I want you to practice with the other legs saying in, out. Yes, I'm tapping on my toes here, and my knee is saying in, outwards, inwards, outwards. And you want to combine that with this movement. Yeah, so when I lift up my toes to the side, my knee here is gonna say in. Yeah, and then I'm gonna lift my heel here to the side, and then I'm gonna open. Yeah, so open, close, open, close. Alright, let's try to practice that. So we're gonna start like this, and then we're gonna say close, open, close, open. I'm gonna count to 8, and then we go close. Yeah, so starting like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, close, open, close, open. Alright, so let's try that again. So we're gonna say from here, close, open, close, open. I'm gonna count to 8, and then we're gonna start. Yeah, so from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, close, open, close, open. Alright, so once you can do that, we can add the last details. We're gonna look to the side. Yeah, so let's say if you're moving to your right side, you're gonna look to your left. And then you wanna place your hand here down by your crotch, like a Michael Jackson thing. And then your hand is gonna go, your right hand, if you're moving to the right, it's gonna go whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, so loose wrist, same, tap, tap, So as if you're knocking, hey, 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 hey. And you do that every time you say move, 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 move. And you want to look to the side. So let's say from here, you want to say, actually also push up the shoulder a bit here, left shoulder. And then you want to say in, open, in, open. Alright, so let's try that once again, a bit slower. So we're going to start from here. We're going to say open, close. And our hand is going to go knock, 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 knock. At the same time, we're also doing the Michael Jackson pose here. Looking to the side, we want to say 5, 6, 7, 8, close, open, knock, knock. Now, if you're still struggling with the first move, what you can do instead is just do this, still look to the side, doing the Michael Jackson pose, and then also moving this inwards, outwards, inwards, outwards. So you're not moving, for instance, in this case, the left, you're just keeping it here. That could be a way to do a more simple version. Alright, so let's practice one more time and then we're gonna move on. Remember these small jumps when you say open, close. And we're gonna close, open, and then we're gonna jump up like this. Yeah, we'll be close. So from here, jump. Let's just try to practice that. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump on the toes. Yeah, so let's do it from here. I'm gonna count to 8 and then we're gonna go close, open, jump. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, close, open, jump. So from here, you're saying jump, your arms are coming up, you're looking up here, then they're going down to your face, and then to the front. And notice how my arms are coming up from here to here to the front. Yeah, and my arms are just gonna be like this. So again, from here, down. Let's just do the arms. So here, down, and yeah. So notice how my arms are saying turn. Yeah, and then I'm gonna relax here. So again, from here, you know what? Let's just do from here. Just the arms. We're gonna say throw them up, face, front, turn. Again, just the arms. 7, 8, up, face, front, turn. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, up, face, front, turn. On the last one, you wanna say, let's see, you're looking up, looking a bit down actually, and then you're gonna say, look up. So, arms, look up, look a bit down, and then look up. Yeah, so tilting your head back. So, from here, jump up, down, here. Yeah, so on the last one, here, your knees are closed. Then you want to say open on the last one. When you go from here to here. Yeah, so from here to here. Let's just do that part. So from here, 7, 8, here. 5, 6, 7, 8, open. 5, 6, 7, 8, you got it. Okay, so from here, jump up, look, here, down. From here you want to say open up with your arms and then as if you're hugging someone. Ooh, like that. Yeah, so you lift this up here to the front and the other one is trying to go to the back. From here to open up, hug. Again from here, 7, 8, open up, hug. 7, 8, open up, hug. And at the same time you want to say up and then this leg, your left leg is gonna come down in front here. Yeah, so notice how my left leg is straight, right leg is bent. And then you want to say hug. Yeah, very weird hug. Your arm is trying to come here to the front and the other one is going to the back. So Let's just take it from here. 7, 8, up, hug. And then you want to look away, so to the back here. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, oh, hug. Once again, 5, 6, 7, 8, open, hug.